Well, it's a beautiful view on our Roto-Rooter Tower Cam this morning. You're going to notice the sun starting and wanting to rise, but overall the clouds continue to filter through across central Illinois, so don't expect too much of it. On the downside, temperatures are struggling as well. Right now, 18 degrees in Decatur, but feeling like 4 degrees up in Bloomington, and 6 degrees in the Paris area, Edgar County. So overall, the wind chill cold enough to where if you step outside with some exposed skin, and frostbite could set in within about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on how exposed it is. Now, winds are out of the southwest right now, about 10 to 15 miles per hour. But winds will slowly start to change over the course of today. So as we start to look at your wind cast, like I said, out of the south to southwest right now, but eventually out of the west this evening and out of the northwest tonight. That's going to help usher in some cooler air, allow temperatures drop pretty quickly, and then eventually we could start to see an opportunity, some snow with that as we bring in some precipitation tonight. But again, winds going to continue to shift, and your Storm Center satellite radar, well, yeah, a few snow flurries possible right now, but don't expect that to stick around. Don't expect it to accumulate by any means. Most of it right along that I-74 corridor at this point in time. So you may be waking up to a flurry, but it's a better chances tonight into tomorrow morning that we have for the snow, which right now, that's situated over towards, we're talking Bismarck, and even Rapid City. That's the precipitation that's going to eventually start to move through, and we could actually see accumulate a little bit in parts of central Illinois. But it's got a little bit to get here, and we're talking closer to midnight for that opportunity. So in Nestler and Associates Futurecast, well, we're going to continue to see a little bit of sunshine today, more this afternoon, but eventually the clouds really start to roll through as we head into 5, 6 o'clock tonight. And then around midnight into 5 a.m. is that chance that we get to see some of the snow showers. Now, most of the accumulation you can see there looks to be from about McLean County into Iroquois County, but whenever I say accumulation, we're not talking multiple inches. We're talking upwards of an inch for parts of the area, a coating for some, and then very, very little, if any at all, down in Carlinville. So we're going to take a look at that snow total here in a second, but as we continue to progress our Futurecast, you're going to notice as we head into your Monday and even Sunday evening, we're starting to see some clear skies. But then the clouds roll straight back in Monday mid-morning into the afternoon as well, with another opportunity of a flurry. Going to be quick. Don't expect a whole lot out of that. But the bigger story is the winds out of the north and temperatures trying to warm up but failing to do so. So here's your snowfall accumulation as we head into tonight, into tomorrow. Flurries primarily here in Decatur. Little to nothing at all down in the Carlinville area, even down in Vandalia. But about half an inch to 1 inch could be possible in Fort Iroquois County. I'd say expect the lower end of that spectrum. So we're talking about that half-inch mark more likely. A coating to half an inch there in the white, but again, expect more of a coating than anything else. So this isn't much of a weather maker. We do just have some of those pesky snowflakes that can move through tonight into tomorrow, but by the time you're out on the roads should be clear. This afternoon, 34 degrees for a high, cloudy and a bit breezy with winds out of the west and northwest. But again, overall a calm day until we get into tonight and start to welcome in some of those snow showers, starting up right around midnight, lasting until about 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Notice the low of about 22 degrees. One of the better nights we've seen as far as temperatures go, but then you start to notice with the warm front moving through Monday, Mother Nature reminds us that it is winter because we're right back in the mid to lower 20s there about midweek. We do get a lot of sunshine in this forecast, but unfortunately just not a whole lot of warmth. Notice Tuesday night, a low of 6 degrees. Wind chills could be in the negatives there if the winds are strong enough. And then, of course, we try to make our way close to a 30-degree mark there Thursday and Friday with mostly cloudy skies.